First, gather your cast of characters. 2 cups heavy cream, 5 egg yolks, half a cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and the final touch, sugar for that perfect caramelized top. Warming the cream. In a saucepan, warm the heavy cream, slow, steady, like secrets whispered in the night. Don't let it boil, just a gentle heat. Mixing eggs and sugar. In a bowl, whisk the egg yolks and sugar until they're smooth as silk. Then, like blending 2 worlds, slowly pour in the warm cream. Add vanilla for that subtle, lingering sweetness. Baking. Pour this velvety mixture into ramekins. Place them in a baking dish. Surround them with hot water, like keeping secrets safe in the dark. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until the custard trembles, but does not break. Chilling and torch. Let them cool, then chill for at least 2 hours. The final act? A thin layer of sugar across the top, torched until it crackles into glass. That's the sound of a mystery solved. Break through the golden shell to reveal the creamy noir beneath. A dessert as dark, smooth, and irresistible as midnight itself. If you enjoyed this little journey into the shadows of dessert, hit like, subscribe, and step into the dark side of flavor with me again. Until next time, keep it smooth, keep it sweet, and always keep it noir.